Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with things that matter right now. Sign into account. Microsoft. Calm and open your rewards status. Once signed in, read the suspension notice and note any error codes and dates. Then take screenshots. These are evidence. You should also verify the email on file and recent sign-in history to confirm it was you. Next, disable VPNs and clear browser cache because inconsistent IPs or scripts trigger automated blocks. Use a familiar device so the system sees normal behavior. Now prepare a concise, factual appeal. You'll go to the rewards help or contact page and pick the suspended account path. Start the ticket with the exact error code and dates. In the message, explain what you did, sign-ins, searches, any bulk actions, and attach screenshots. Once done, clearly list remediation steps you already took. Reset password, removed extensions or automation, stopped shared access. Finally, ask for a review and estimate of turnaround time. Note the ticket ID for follow-up. Finish by actively managing the case. You should check the ticket status daily and answer any verification requests immediately. Support often reinstates after simple confirmations. If you haven't heard back in 5 to 7 business days, escalate to live chat or reopen the ticket quoting your ID. Once resolved, make sure to stop any behavior that caused the suspension. If things still fail, the troubleshooting tip is to resend a single, clear message from a clean device with annotated screenshots and exact timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.